Mastering the art of skillet searing. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that's not only a treat for the taste buds but also a fantastic phrase to add to your English culinary vocabulary. Sear on the skillet. Whether you're a food enthusiast or simply love enriching your English skills, this video is cooked up just for you. So, let's turn up the heat and get started. Sear on the skillet refers to a cooking technique where food, often meat, is cooked at a high temperature until a browned crust forms. This method is not just about cooking. It's about adding flavor, texture, and color to the dish. The word sear means to burn or char the surface of something with sudden, intense heat. A skillet is a type of frying pan, typically made of cast iron, known for its heat retention and even heating. Searing meat on a skillet is a culinary cornerstone for several reasons. It creates a rich, caramelized crust that's not only visually appealing but also packed with flavor, thanks to the Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives browned food its distinctive taste. This technique also helps to lock in juices, ensuring that the meat remains moist and tender inside, despite the high heat applied on the outside. 1. Preheat the skillet over medium-high to high heat. It's crucial for the pan to be hot enough to start the searing process immediately upon adding the food. 2. Pat the food dry. Moisture is the enemy of a good sear, as it will steam rather than sear. 3. Add a little oil with a high smoke point to the skillet, such as vegetable or canola oil, to prevent sticking and enhance the searing process. 4. Place the food in the skillet and let it cook undisturbed for a few minutes until a crust forms. Resist the temptation to move it around. 5. Flip the food to sear the other side, allowing it to develop a similar crust. Sear on the skillet is more than just a cooking instruction. It's a journey into a world of enhanced flavors and textures. Whether you're preparing a feast for the eyes or simply looking to spice up your English vocabulary, this phrase is a delightful addition. We hope you've enjoyed this culinary adventure and are ready to turn the heat up on your English learning journey. Happy cooking and learning!